And I know from my experience, and this is what I teach other people too, the only difference between £1 and £100 million is the way you... Anyway, what's going on? So it's the third Saturday and I'm feeling good. I think I've found the right schedule and I'm following the right disciplines and procedures to get the most out of my time, the most out of my business, the most out of my team, and the most out of the resources I have available. Making sure that we're staying on top of everything. Obviously, a lot has changed. A lot has changed, meaning some of the things that we had in place that were beautiful systems in place, like team members, furnishings, cleaning, dressing properties, just being able to order materials, builders in place, projects moving forward, refinances happening, paying back investors. Everybody was making money. Everything was growing. We'd done over £16 million worth of projects, and through that experience I built some amazing systems, and now some of that has had a bit of a spanner in the works, which is great in my eyes, although it's not great as in it doesn't allow it to continue going, but it's great in the fact that now look how versatile we are becoming, because we are having to come up with workarounds and different ways of thinking and different ways of doing things. And I know from my experience, and this is what I teach other people too, the only difference between £1 and £100 million is the way you think. So that is good, because now it's getting my team to think differently on how we can handle the thing, handle the situation. Property businesses, the coaching and training business, make sure we can still deliver great value to people all over the world through these channels, wherever it is you're watching this. By the way, make sure you comment. I want to comment, where is it that you're watching this? Where are you in the planet? How has your lockdown been? Share your experience on here. Because the more you comment, the more people that we can get join in on this, and the more people we can recruit to be part of this collective, because it's just a collective mission to raise the standard of living. That's what our businesses, all of the businesses I'm involved in, actually stem towards, raising the standard of living for people, whether it's the way they live, the finances they can create, the businesses they can create, the way they can live their life with their family, their spare time, financial freedom, their physical well-being, their mental well-being, absolutely important, emotional well-being, relationships, and the spiritual potential and wonderful things that you can experience through that realm too. So that's what it is, and that's what I want to get done. So it's a nice sunny day now. Again, I've got a great schedule. Today I've planned a lot of time where I can release a lot of stuff, because action is great. Working on outcomes and making sure I've got all of these things taken care of is one thing. I've got an awesome week already scheduled for the next couple of weeks, in fact. We've got some amazing things coming, so working on all of that as well, and it just gives me great passion. I don't feel like it's work. I mean, the last probably say 4 or 5 weeks, so in the run up to this lockdown we were hammering it, and then when this lockdown has happened, I'm working like 18-hour days. Putting some good shifts in, making sure that I'm making the most of the time, team making the most of the time, and it doesn't feel like work to me. Why? Because I feel that I'm on purpose right now. I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, which is adding value to myself through adding value to other people. And I just love the team, and I love the people, and I love the results that people are getting. I mean, people are raising millions and millions and millions of pounds for their businesses, for their property projects, to build their portfolios, to create millions. And people are making millions, and people are developing in their relationships, growing their families, being able to have the time what they wanted, building the businesses they wanted. And yeah, okay, so it's a lockdown. We're nearly 3 weeks through this lockdown now. And it's just great to see, especially people in the real life tribe who have continued to adjust and adapt to still fulfill the growth criteria. And when I say growth criteria, I'm talking like how continue to grow in their business, not just protect. I mean, mechanisms very quickly in place to fix a few things, but you got to keep moving forward. It's been great to see. So testing time, some might say, but I think it's a great opportunity to look at ourselves, because we've been magnified. We are magnified of who we are and how we are and how we think. And this is a great insight to focus on who you actually want to become. So focusing your thoughts on the person you intend to become every day is very important. because that is the way it is, people.